If you are a Pfizer bag holder, well then I apologize. From the highs going back a couple of years of say 60, price has been cut in half. If you bought at the highs, your bag has been cut in half. And from a technical standpoint, it is not time yet for price to have bottomed, and that's being supported by the fundamentals. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. So shares in Pfizer slumped today after the drug maker said that its twice daily form of its new oral obesity treatment will not advance into late stage studies. Now, their candidate demonstrated statistically significant weight loss of as much as 13% at 32 weeks. But the data from the phase 2 trial of the drug show that mild gas gas effects were seen at a high rate in patients using the medication. Discontinuation rates were subsequently greater than 50%. Pharmaceutical firms have been racing to secure a cheap oral obesity drug, particularly after the soaring popularity of a weight loss injection from Danish company Novo Nordisk. According to Morgan Stanley, growing demand for these treatments could push the value of the global obesity drug market up to 2.4 billion in 2022 and 77 billion in 2030. And this is not going to go away as Americans and the world continues to eat processed foods, quick fixes, because they're time constrained. It's just all bad news, right? And good business and good news for these companies that can cater to that market. So with that said, let's look at the analysis. Again, this is the monthly chart, and this is the pandemic lows. What I have here is, again, support, but what's behind that support is this rally in price, that basing candle, and then the rally out. Price came back, not once, but a second time. So we have buyers here, which is why another $3-4, and I would anticipate the lows to be in. Again, buyers have been supporting and defending this level multiple times throughout the last really decade. And if we scroll to the left of this formation, these were highs, right? Now the lows. So this is also a flip zone, right? What was resistance is now support, fortifying that this level should stand if and when price moves down. Now let's go to the weekly chart, and you have just price making lower lows, lower highs. Price is respecting not only the 13 but also the 26 simple weekly moving average. Now to end the week, price will come off the lows, but it's still going to be a down week. And if I look to the left, price is currently at 29.24. There are no levels where I see buyers coming in. Let's confirm that on the daily chart. Yeah, there are no buyers between current price and this doji candle, which marked a low. You had a drop in price, doji. You can call these three basing candles and then the rally out. So again, I think there's more downside risk. However, I think the downside risk is limited at this point. I do anticipate buyers coming in $3 lower, and I do anticipate a turnaround in Pfizer at that time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.